In this video, we'll talk about pocket option copy trading or social trading. And this is an account of one of our VIP copy trader who has copied our trades automatically into his pocket option account. And he have provided his account in order to shoot this video so that I can show you all of these things are real. And total number of trades he have copied is like 18 trades and 83% of the trades are profitable, and as you can see in the graph it is only increasing, and he have made $2,517. So if I show you by reloading this page at here, you can see the trades that he have copied, and if you notice here we only make $200 per trade, which anyone can copy. And if we make $200 per trade, it doesn't mean that you need to copy $200 per trade. So for example, if you copy 100% of our trade, then your trade will also be of $200. But if you set up the percentage of 1, then you will copy $2 per trade if we make $200 per trade. And each day we make up to 3 trades max, and most of the time these are profitable because we have years of experience in trading, and we firstly test lots of strategy in our demo account and then find out which exact strategy is working at the real time, and we use that strategy to make the trades. That's why our results look like this. And if you also want to copy our trade, then you can join our free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and in the first comment below. Now, before that, I want to show you how you need to do the copy trading setting. So firstly, if you join our Telegram channel, then you can see the latest instructions there on how you can copy our trade, and you need our UID for that. Okay, so after you follow those simple instructions, you will get our UID, and then you just need to log into your pocket option account and just click on this social trading. Once you click on this social trading, then you can just click on here and click on search. Now you already have our UID, so just paste that UID at here or type that UID at here. Now the UID that I am pasting at here is not mine. I am just showing you it as an example. So once you type or paste the UID at here, a name will appear at here, and just click on that name and you will see this kind of dialog box opening. Now you just click on copy. Once you click on copy, these 4 boxes will appear. So I have already told you we make $200 per trade, and if you copy 100% of the trade, that means you are copying $200 per trade. But if you reduce this to 1%, then whenever we make $200 per trade, you will copy $2 per trade. So if you increase it to, for example, 10%, then you will copy $20 per trade whenever we make $2 per trade. Now, in case of stop balance, you don't need to touch it, because whenever any of our VIP copy trader have made changes to this stop balance, all of our trades are not copied in their account. So I don't recommend you to touch this stop balance. But instead, if you are so scared of the loss, then what you can do is, let's say if you have a balance of $3,986 in your account and you only want to risk 986 in our copy trading service, then you can withdraw your $3,000 and only keep $986 in your account. In that way, you don't need to touch this stop balance. And in case of minimum copy trade amount and maximum copy trade amount also, you don't need to make any changes, because I have already told you we make $200 per trade in each trade. So we do not make more than $200 per trade or less than $200 per trade. So if you touch this, you can touch it, you can make changes as you wish. But again, the same thing, if you touch any of these 3 boxes, then all of our trades may not be copied to your account. Okay, so that's why only we are recommending that, but the choice is yours. So once you have done all this setup, then just click on confirm, and you will start to automatically copy our trade into your pocket option account. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you inside my Telegram channel. Bye bye.